it's Connie again from A Appliances, and today I'm going to talk about Miele dishwashers. Now they come in different variations. You can go fully integrated, where you put your own door panel in the front and the control panels are on the inside of the door. Integrated versions where you can get the control fascia panel available in a brilliant white, obsidian black and a clean steel finish, and again you can put your own panel in the front of the door. You can get a built under series, and that's available in a brilliant white and a clean steel finish. You can also get it in a freestanding option, which can go freestanding, available in brilliant white and a clean steel finish as well. And some of the features Miele have on their dishwashers is knock to open, auto open drying, auto close, and a quick power wash. These are some of the amazing features that Miele dishwashers have that are exclusive to Miele. Cutlery tray. I love the cutlery tray. The advantage of the cutlery tray, you've got all your cutlery placed in place, which means if I'm actually packing the cutlery out, I can grab them all and throw them in the actual cutlery drawer. And we can actually move everything across, and then if I have long stem glasses from underneath the basket, I can actually raise them and have them coming through. So there's a lot of flexibility with what you can do with the dishwashers. You get perfect results, minimum detergent. You get perfect results with minimum detergent. You can use the Miele detergent or any other brands as well. The dishwasher does have what you call a sensor wash. So I think they're calling it something else today.
Automatic.
They're calling it an automatic wash today. So the automatic wash, what happens with that, it actually senses the water and senses how dirty the water is, whether it needs to introduce a longer wash cycle or reduce the wash cycle and wash the dishes accordingly to the amount of dirt and debris that it has, and finish the
Soilage.
cycle. What is it?
Soilage.
Soilage. My husband's saying soilage. Did you hear that? He just won't be in the video. He wants me to be in the video. But anyway, the amount of soilage is in the water and it will stop accordingly. So it's been designed to calculate the amount of soilage in the water to how long the wash cycle needs to be. That's how precise a Miele dishwasher is.
We need to get the expert in here.
Yes.
Somebody just doesn't quite cut it. So in fact, the Miele dishwashers not only, apart from all the features, as Connie's already shown you, Miele dishwashers really perform and they wash amazingly well. To the point that they can actually put a cake in the dishwasher, put it through a wash cycle, open it up, and there'd be not one speck of cake left, totally sparkling clean. And in fact, Miele were the first ones to do this back in the 50s, I think it was, from memory. Not that I was born then, but from what I've been told. And did that as part of one of their commercial advertisements, or TV advertisements, I should say. And in fact, the only thing that you probably have to clean in this dishwasher yourself is the filter, which from time to time will need cleaning. And the fact that it is so easy to take out and clean, that's really not a bother at all. So, you know, it's just this little twist of the handle here, and then you take it out, and that's your dishwasher. And there's obviously something in there. And what is that? That's in there. Let's put it here. Oh, look at that. A ring. With a mirror.
Yes. Oh God.
So,
do I gotta put it on my finger?
put it on your finger. Yeah, you put it on your finger. So there you go. So you take out all the rubbish that's in there.
It's not rubbish. It's a ring. It's a real diamond ring.
And then just toss back in. Simple little twist, and then that's done. So very easy to clean. The other thing is, now apart from all the performance and amazing features of the Miele dishwasher, they are built to last. And there are many things that are on this dishwasher that are tested to last 20 years, well the whole dishwasher is anyway. But they give you, apart from the standard warranties on the dishwasher, the hinges have a 10-year warranty on them.
I love them.
The Miele doors are actually tested by opening and closing the door 10,000 times.
Yeah.
Yes, you know that? 10,000 times.
To me, they still do the job. They do an amazing job. I love them.
The buttons are tested, and they are pressed and tested 50,000 times.
What are you doing? He's getting his phone.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
No, don't do it. Don't just picking up, alright? Alright, bye.
That's our son. Ringing up to see what we're up to.
So yeah, buttons, they are tested by being pressed 50,000 times. Door is opened and closed 10,000 times. The machine's put through 7,500 hours straight of wash cycles.
He's a computer whiz. He knows everything.
To
brains.
Which is an equivalent of 20 years usage. So they're just some of the things that
Some that he knows. He knows much more than that.
off the top of my head. Miele dishwashers are built to last, as they are designed and built to last 20 years.
It's all good. People come knocking and knocking. I tell them to come to an aid store. From kitchens to bathrooms, don't hesitate. Everything you need is at number 8. You'll be happy, happy, happy. You'll be happy, happy, happy. Trusted appliances and quality and service counts. I love it. From
kitchens and bathrooms, don't hesitate. Everything you need is at number 8. Happy.
Trust Date Appliances, where quality and service counts.